I will show you how to animate your slides like a pro in Canva. Let's dive into some Canva tips and tricks. I will pick this picture of Islamabad. You can pick any picture you want, and I will adjust it in the background like that. Now, I will go to Elements, search for white, and select this white color. Yeah, exactly like that. Now, go to Edit Image, then go to Shadows, and click on Drop Shadow. Make some changes like distance, blur amount, intensity, etc. Yeah, exactly like that. After that, adjust it and go to Transparency and decrease its transparency. Then, duplicate the white element and increase its transparency. When you're done, duplicate it again and increase the transparency of this one a little more than the second one. Bingo, like that. Now select all of them, click on Group, and then adjust them like that. Yeah, bingo. Now, duplicate the entire video and then drag these white colors to the left side like that. Bring this duplicate before the real one like that. Now go to Transition, choose Match and Move. And increase its time. Now, go to Text and click on Add a Heading. I will type the city name Islamabad and change its font. Then, I will go to Effects and give this text a lift effect like that. Next, I will add another heading where I will write information about this city. Bingo, like that. I will decrease the duration of the video, and our work is done. Now go to Share button and download it as MP4 format. Here is our final design. If you like my video, then please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you, bye-bye.